Guys, so today we're doing this video, and today I'm going to be doing this slime reveal. But why I'm wearing the same shirt is because I'm so excited, and I'm going to do 3 videos in one day. Okay, well today I'm doing a slime reveal. So I have these different slimes, and tell me in the comments which one you guys like the best when I'm done revealing them. But I'm going to start with this one, these 2. Hold on. So which one should I start with? The foam beads or the regular?
I think you should start with the regular.
Okay, well here's the regular. I'm gonna start with it. I hope it's not sticky. It isn't so sticky. It's not.
Hold up, so you will not lose the top. You can also do this. But just connect it to the bottom.
Yep. Okay. So let's put that down. I don't want my slime to get in my hair. Okay, well, it's stretchy, it's glittery, it has some glitter, like long pieces in it. It's plain, and yeah, it's very stretchy. I found the foam bead in it. So let's move on to the next slime.
Poke it.
Next slime. My sister's in love with poking stuff. I don't really like poking slime. Okay, next one. This one has foam beads.
And this is the colorful confetti slime foam beads.
Yep. Okay. This one really looks like it's sticky. I can't get it all out. Okay, well I got it out and it's very pretty, but it's kind of sticky. So yeah, I give the first one an A, but I give this one a C. Okay, well I like it. It's good, but it needs to have more borax in it. So next slime. Which one should I start with?
The regular one.
This is not regular. It has the little foam beads.
Yeah, it has some foam beads.
With the
This one. No? The glitter one.
Glitter. Oh, that looks like a pizza. One pizza eating. Okay. Well, this one has a little foam beads. It's like she didn't want to put foam beads, but I didn't want to put foam beads, but foam beads got in it. Well, it's not so stretchy. So, yeah.
One just fell.
So not really so
Let's
stretchy.
go on to the next one.
Okay, next slide. Next slide, you're covering it. Okay. Well, this one's very watery and it's pokeable, but it's so watery. It's like, I don't know.
It has holographic glitter in it too.
Oh, it does.
But don't play with that slime because the foam beads gets all over stuck. So which one do you give this one?
An F.
Okay, now let's pause the video to clean up your hand.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Should I start with the plain or foam beads?
Plain first, always.
Well, this one, the foam bead one will be the last one. I like that poking noise. Okay, well, let's get it out. I think this one for me will get a C because it breaks. So, it's really, really not so stretchy. And it has some red glitter and what else? What's
Holographic, hollow glitter.
Hollow glitter. If you look good.
It's like, let the camera focus. That's the kind of glitter it is.
Okay, now let's go with the foam beads. Glitter and foam beads now.
Okay.
This one's okay.
That one was actually very sticky, I remember. And then she just put a bunch of foam beads in there.
Okay, well, it's still a little sticky. It's very stretchy, so I give this one an A. But just a little, just a little.
More borax, huh?
Yep.